Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Scrap the Boys and we are going to be using this challenge, which is like flower love, and it's got a bunch of florals. So I decided to pull out my Valentine's Day photo from 2010 or 2020 because 2020 because 2021 Joshua it has been overseas. So obviously, this is my husband. He does never ever smile, and if we do, I get a smirk like this or some crazy looking thing like this, and there we have it. So here I am. I decided to take one of Paige Evans' cut files that had a bunch of florals on it and back it with some of my older, close to my heart Valentine's Day papers. Now I will link down what is still available for Valentine's Day, at least for that, if you are looking to purchase any of what I have. Now I know that this collection is one of the older ones and I don't think it is available at all, but I do know that they have plenty other ones and it still achieves the same thing. So I will link all that down below. So what I decided to do here is that I took two different types of papers. No, I took one paper and backed the florals on one side and then back the leaves with the other side. And that's how I decided to do my cut file. Now I did do that off camera because everybody, ultimately at this point, even if you are new to my channel, backing cut files, if you are new to that, you can definitely go back through a lot of my videos, has me doing it, and I know that there is a ton of ladies out there and gentlemen, because we do have some guys that do scrapbooking as well. They have shown how to back a cut file. I'm one of them that I try to cut my process down a little bit with that because it's kind of monotonous. And honestly, it drives me nuts. The one thing, I love cut files. I use them all the time, but I hate backing them. Full disclosure, I hate backing them. If they would come pre-backed, I would be fantastically fantastic, but that's unrealistic because I don't want them backed because I don't know what color I want to use and what paper I want to use. So it's like a catch-22. But make sure that you go check out everybody that does Scrap the Boys. The link for the blog will be down below. Make sure that you hit up the community page. Once you have done this challenge of florals and doing this challenge on the community page for Scrap the Boys on Facebook, you pop it in there, and then us design team members will pick a winner each month, and then you become the guest designer for the next month. So here I am. I'm just taking and backing. So what I did is that I wanted to back the photo up and then put the rest of the papers that I cut up and put it on the back of it. Now, I did use my black paint stick. I gotta get a new one. It's being weird. But at the same time, everybody and their mother is now wanting paint sticks for whatever reason. And so now it's even harder to get them. But I thought it was harder before. Nope, it's even harder now. As I did this voiceover, I am 37 days from this man coming home from, I swear, the longest deployment I have ever gone through. Now, if you have not followed my journey, Josh and I have been together for a good long while, like since 2006, so a long bit. I've been through deployments. Like, this is not normal. Like, this isn't like something new for me and I'm like, oh my god, I can never do this again, yada yada. I've been through them. But having a daughter versus having a boy for deployments is a whole nother ballpark. That's all I'm gonna say. And then this one, my daughter is very much a daddy's girl. So this man needs to get his butt home. Like, I'm over this. Because my daughter, she drives me nuts. I love her to death, but she drives me nuts. Like, it's so... Josh just needs to come home. Better of lack of terms. Again, I love my daughter. I wouldn't change it for the world. And deployments, it is what it is. Like, I've done deployments for many, many years. I mean, this is definitely not my first rodeo. In the Army, we go for 12 to 15 months. It is what it is. Other branches go shorter than that, and I hear those spouses complain all the time, and I'm like, no, I'm going to be the first to say it on here. Y'all need to put up with being gone a whole year or up to 18 months, because they can go, 3 months past their 12 months and call it a day. It is what it is. We can definitely go past that time frame. It doesn't matter. Army, it is what it is to the Army. So I hear that all the time, and I just roll my eyes. Yeah, I feel ya, I understand ya, and I'm thinking to myself, you don't get what we go through. I've done tons of TDYs. I've been on TDYs myself. I've been on movements myself where Josh has had to stay back and take care of the home front while I'm gone doing my thing. And let me tell you, even though that I'm gone for a week, 2 weeks, couple of months, I swear, he acts like a total baby. And then he expects me to go back for, take a year. But we're almost there, kiddos. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, design team layouts, all of the fun stuff. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I am close to 3,000 subscribers. I would love, love, love to have you. I would love to be able to get to 3,000 by January 1. So I've got 2 more months to do it in, y'all. So if you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you. The still shots are coming up. I'm just putting in my journaling, and then I'm going to leave you with that. I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.